Cloud 4 just dropped, and it's insane. Opus 4, Sonnet 4, free access inside BS code. This isn't a joke, it's real. Let me show you how to set it up right now. Let's go. Anthrop are right now releasing new cloud models. This cloud models is Cloud Opus 4 and Cloud Sonnet 4. You know that they are right now strongly say Cloud Opus 4 is the world's best coding model. Could you imagine? We are know that the previously they Cloud Sonnet are 3.7 are kind of so awesome, so strong, powerful. But right now, what they said? They said it. Cloud Opus 4 is the world's best coding model. So, and let's say another things. One interesting things is they announced extend thinking with tool use beta. Both model can use tools like web search during extend thinking, allowing Cloud to alternate between reasoning and tool use to improve response. Okay, bro. So another thing is new model capability. Both models can use tools in parallel. Okay, so and follow instructions more precisely, and when given access to local files by developers, demonstrate significantly improved memory capability, extracting and saving key facts to maintain continually and build tech knowledge over time. So Cloud Code is now generally available. After receiving extensive positive feedback during our research preview, we are expanding how developer can collaborate with Cloud. The Cloud Code now support background task by GitHub Actions. Oh my goodness. And native integration with VS Code. Okay, and displaying it is directly in your files for seamless pair programming, bro. Okay, and new API capability. Okay, so we are release 4 new capabilities on the Anthropic API that enable developer to build more powerful AI agent. Okay, cool. The code execution tool, MCP connector, files, API, and ability to catch prompts for up to 1 hour. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. So Cloud Ops 4 and Sonnet 4 hybrid models offering two modes. Okay, they offer 2 modes. So what? So near instance response and extend thinking for deeper reasoning. Okay, for the Pro Max teams, enterprise cloud plans include both models, and extended thinking with Sonnet 4 also available for free users. Sonnet 4 also available for what? The free users, bro. So both models are available on the Anthropic's API, Amazon Feedbacks, Google Clouds, Vertex API. And if I say about pricing, remaining constants with the previous Ops and Sonnet models. For example, Ops 4 are 14 to 75 per million tokens input and output, and Sonnet are kind of Sonnet 4 are 3 to 15. So if I say there is a kind of pricey the Ops 4 right now, this is a kind of so pricey. So, and another things is, look at this software engineering. Oh my goodness, their accuracy level are so awesome, bro. If I say, look at this, the Sonnet 3.7 was, if I compare with previous models, and right now Opus and Sonnet 4 are improving a lot. If I say it would be kind of more than 7 or 8%, right? So overall percentages are so good. And if I compare with they're showing that, bro, already the kind of their benchmark are kind of amazing. If I compare with them like Gemini 2.0 Pro and OpenAI and OpenAI Codex 1, they actually beat everyone. How got this possible, bro? Their accuracy kind of super awesome. And look at this, the Cloud Opus and Cloud Sonnet are kind of also great. So that's awesome, bro. Whew. like the Cloud 3.7 was also awesome, so, but right now there like that was kind of 62% 3, and right now look at this. How could this possible, bro? They're destroyed. That would be fantastic, bro. So they're improving a lot, and Cloud 4 and Cloud Opus are kind of super genius. And new capabilities for building agents on Anthropic API. Look at this, and today that means they are the code execution tool, MCP connector, files API, and the ability to catch prompts for up to the 1 hour. So organizations receives 50 free hours of use with the code executions tool per day, and then you have to actually pay a little more. And after that, like if I say the MCP connector, previously connecting to MCP server requiring building your own client harness to handle MCP connections, now to Anthropic's API handle all the connection management tool, discover and error handling automatically. Simply add a remote MCP server URL to your API request, and you can immediately access powerful third-party tools, dramatically reducing the complexity of building tool enabled agent. Okay, bro, that is fantastic. I love it. And Files API. So, and the Files API simplifies how developers store and access documents when building with cloud. So, instead of managing files uploading in every request, you can now upload documents once and reference them repeatedly across conversations. So yeah, bro. And if I say the File API will integrate with the code execution tool, enable cloud access and process uploaded files directly during code execution, and produce files such as a chart and graph as part of the time response. Part of the response. This means the developer can upload a dataset through the Files API once, then have Cloud analyze it across multiple sessions without re-uploading. So, another extend prompt catching. So, developer can now choose between our standard 5 minutes times, live prompts catching, and opt. So, that means kind of new models are kind of super awesome. And if I show the practically, look at this. I want to go in VS Code. Okay, I open the VS Code right now. So I have to install the one extension. This extension name is Killer Code. Okay, the Killer Code. I already installed, and after that, I have to set up. So you can actually select for example, I select the killer code and then API code. That will be kind of same. And then Cloud Sonnets are right now free, and they say that as the beginning time when actually you are kind of install as a first time, so they will pay a little more free. For example, as the beginning times when you actually log in in extensions, this time they will provide in $5. So $5 credits. So after that, so when you will actually verify the payment method, so this time you will also get the $10. So verifying the payments methods, it comes at $15. So yeah, bro. So this is awesome. So as the beginning times, right? So and after that, you can actually so choosing killer code and then save. So and then right now actually in here you can write any kind of things. So for example, write in here, so build, find or something, any kind of things. And in here the code, analytics, ask, debug, a lot of things. So in here I can giving the kind of directions like build something, fix some bug, or blah blah, lots of things. And you can communicate or you can do something in here. So yep, that's awesome, bro. This is a build and find and ask something, any kind of things. That was the that was the kind of tools, the Cloud 4 and Opus 4. So if I say this is my actually YouTube channels, I start recently and I hope you will watch this, and that and here have lots of fantastic kind of fantastic tutorials. So if you see these last videos and from formula experts, that is the super awesome videos. So you will know, and then you can learn from here how to write actually best prompt for coding or for byte coding. So yeah, you can see the lava bells, bolts, and bolt and bolt, yeah, the comparison. So lots of videos I already made, like I restart recently, and I hope you actually support me. So thank you for watch these videos, and like and comments, subscribe our channels. Bye bye.